Well, good morning, afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this, folks. Welcome back to another brand new video. As you see, I'm starting off my vlog here from that new WP building, that monstrosity. You see it from miles now. Horrible looking thing. Anyway, starting my video here because I'm going down to on actually Charles Street here, just behind me. I'm in the car park, the new car park they built here. A very small car park. I'll turn the camera around in a minute to show you. Today's I'm going to be talking about the imminent demolition of these houses and businesses around here. So yeah, the Bulldozers are moving in very soon, I've been told. Anyway, I'll turn the camera around so I can show you what's going on. Charles Street car park. Oh, so big I can't even get in the frame of the camera. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about the imminent demolition. What's going on? As you probably heard in the news, they are going to pull most of these down to make way for a multi-university run by Blackpool College, I believe. So now they've got all the road closures up in place already, look. So we'll just cross the road while it's quiet. Going down that road to Regent, down there. So you've got road closed off here. Down Charles Street now, you've got the tower. You can see the tower from anywhere in Blackpool, can't you? So yeah, got all these businesses here, they've got to go. Part of the regeneration, the new multi-university. Most of these businesses on this road here, look. As you can see, they've got a big white metal gates up here now, so you cannot get through here. So all these houses along here, on both these sides, are earmarked for demolition. So when I get to know when they're going to start, I'll be definitely here, folks, for you. There we go. Well, the compulsory purchase on these properties here. Some of these people lived here years, you know, and they've got to get out of their own homes. It's bad really in a way, but they call it progress, don't they? I just wonder if there's a quick way around there. Tell you what, folks. Let's get down one of these back alleys, shall we, for a laugh? Oh, it's getting warm now, the sun is out, it's lovely. Murky grey morning that was this morning. Wow. Streets of Blackpool. Well, that leads down to another part there where it's covered up, look. Oh wow. Huh. So where does this lead then, folks? Let's have a look, shall we? Back streets in a minute. Let's have a quick wander up here. You say the Regent is just down there. And most of these shops here are closed. Any part of it as well. And we go back down here where I was. The houses on my right hand side here, correct me if I'm wrong, are going to be intact and staying. They're not the part that could be demolished. But these ones are, as you can see, they're all boarded up. ready to go. And there's a housing shortage in Blackpool, folks. It's a bit bad, really. That one there, look, number 14. 2 up, 2 down. Looked like a nice little house in its previous life, ready to be pulled down. Yeah. Could do a new carpet, but little fish stains on it. Huh? What a shame. See, this small gate there, and it's all fenced off here as well. These houses here are due for demolition as well. And so these ones on the right hand side are okay. Across the road, it's all boarded off down here. Well, it's quite a busy road with Cannon Street. I drive down this road practically every night to take Chris's mum home. So I've never actually walked down here before yet. It's a very, very busy road. Comes the bus. Ooh. I'm going to take my jacket off soon to get any warmer. But this is Charles Street as well. It's quite aptly named, isn't it? It's quite a long road, really. Stretches all the way down there. I'm not going to go venture that far though. Anyway, as you can see, I'm standing at the other end of Charles Street where I was previously. Just before the cars come down here, once I get some shots in. Large area for demolition. I got the name wrong. This is Grosvenor Street. I'm on here now. Look at this place here, look. Wow. That's a crying shame really, but progress they call it. It was there. We got this place on the corner. So all boarded up here as well. There we go. So how much the boundary line is for this demolition, folks. That one. Wow. Blimey. It is all boarded up as well. Not sure these are part of demolition, whether they're coming from the other side. So this is one busy road to close off. Another nice looking house there, look. Wow. Folks, if you're after a sofa, there's a leather sofa there and a 3-seater there, look. Wow. Yeah, it's all boarded up all along here, look. Town centre that way. Wow. And we're full circle where I started from. Let's have a look at these notes here. Details. Notices here by given that Blackpool Borough Council on the 5th of March 25 executed a general vesting declaration under Section 4 Compulsory Purchase Visiting Act. Just says there, all interested in 575 square metres of the public adopted highway building premises on 20 Cookson Street. There you go. Loads of notices on there. I'm not going to read all of them. I'm on the board of pants off you. This premium shop here, look. That's shut. It's going to be closed up. It's going to be demolished as well. There's a hell of a lot of demolition to do. But obviously they're going to do it in stages. They can't demolish all at once. Yeah. This is called We for Walk. This goes up to Up to Sainsbury's. So yeah, I've shown you the areas that are earmarked for demolition, folks. Okay. Oh blimey, the wind's picking up, folks. Just got my coat off because it'll get really warm. Breeze is quite nice. Not for filming though. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed my little walk around there of the Cookson Street area, which is earmarked for demolition. Yeah. So when the bulldozers move in, I will let you know. With more demolition videos. Oh my god, you can't write this, can you? So much demolition going on in Blackpool right now. Anyway, I'll please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell and upload more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks ever so much for watching, really appreciate it. Thank you, bye bye.